Alright, so 132 coming in, Belleville subdivision. Ended up catching him again. 95.35. Amazing. 95.03. 50.35. Wow. Previous videos talked about they are discontinuing her. I'm leaving for Manitoba on Sunday, so this will be indeed my final video of 132. Nice to catch it at my home location. Used to film here back in the day. Belleville subdivision, mile 195 I believe, Staines. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty sure I am wrong, or mile 200. Toronto Yard, triple entrance. Wow, she was short. Final video of 132. It's been an honor. Amazing crew.